So you have to select a video file on Canva dashboard, video file, and go to the text. Here you type some dashed lines. So we type them to form a line. So select them and move the letter spacing to 0. And then go to effect and create a curve. Move ahead and then go to animate. So wipe effect is better for creating a circle animation. So create this and duplicate. You can add more dashes or complete circle animation. So here it goes. A better animation for circles, we can show timing and reduce the timing. Check this and adjust it. So here you can see that our background is white, so we change the background. And then the color of the circle, I choose red. You can choose whatever color you want. So that's the process to create. You can download it from the share button.